Hi, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series. And I'm going to do something today that I've done in the past, and it seemed to be pretty popular. So what this is I'm going to do currency searching, which means I'm going to take U.S. currency and search through the serial numbers, look for star notes, any unusual markings, misprints, or anything else I can find that might look interesting. So, let's get this started. Here's the serial number, and we're going to look for oddities that might be on the front or the back. Now, I have previously put all these bills in the same order, but I didn't really look through the serial numbers or anything. But let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to push this aside right here. I'm just going to grab a little stack. So we're looking for a star note on the end of the serial number, which means during production or printing of these dollar bills, if there were any kind of error in printing, they would discard and destroy that run and reprint them. But they would put an actual star at the end of the serial number. It'd be on this part and on this part. And many people, including me, like to collect those star notes, and some of them are worth quite a bit more money than face value. So we're going to look for star notes and misprints, which would be maybe the printing would be shifted off-centered. Any kind of weird or funny looking things that you might like. Some people like collecting serial numbers that mean something to them, like a birth date. So if this was March 19th, 1930, might be one of your parents' birthday, grandparents' birthday, or whatever. 1967, let's see, June 1930. Well, just whatever. Different people collect different things. So let's go and search these 150. Oh, one more thing. There are ladders, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive, or staggered ladders, which are a series of straight numbers but mixed up. Binary, which is ones and zeros. Several different things to look for that just look interesting. But be also on the lookout for the seal right here might be a different color. The date of production might be old. Just whatever you like. So 6193. Okay, nothing special about this one to me. We have almost a ladder. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So really nothing there. Let's see, no misprints. Oh, we didn't look at the backs. We'll come back and look at the backs real quick. 0, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, nothing there special. 3, 9, 5, 8, 0, 105. Nothing there for me. 5, 4, 3, 0, 1. Oh, almost. Look at here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now if it had a 7, that would be a ladder. But since it has 2 zeros, it's really nothing. Well, nothing to me anyway. 94552. Okay. Check that one out. 60. Okay, DB. No, nothing great on that one. 77335475 with the EB. Nothing. 46147744. Now, if you're playing poker, this is a big good one. 0, 1. Okay. Nope. 5, 7, 2, 1, 3, 7, 3, 8. Nope. 2, 6, 0, 9. Nope. Let's see. Nope. Some of these are pretty wrinkled up. 5, okay, none on that one. 55023. The good thing about this hobby is you cannot lose money from it, but you can make some. 5845. Nope. 4574. Nope. Let's see. 6789. Nope. Nothing on that one. 1376. Long time ago. Okay. That's in there. Okay. Look how see-through that one is. Okay. While we have these, let's go ahead and look for oddities instead of just zeroing it. Nothing on that one. Nothing really on the back of this one stands out. This one is the same. Check out the back. Nothing really weird. Nothing really weird in the printing on this one, except for this border is a little bit wider than this border, but that doesn't really make it valuable. Easier to see on the bottom right here. Look at this border and this border. Here we go. I don't really see anything that stands out on these. There we go. Turn it around. Now, if y'all see something that I missed, leave a comment in the section below. But by the time I see your comment, these ones will probably be taken to the bank already. There we go. Nothing really weird on this. There we go. Turn it over. There we go. It's a fun little hobby to do when you're watching TV or got the music on in the background, which I cannot play right now, of course. But good thing to teach your kids or grandkids or neighbors' kids or somebody's kids. Fun way to save money. Here we go. Nothing weird. There we go. Nothing weird on those. Okay, I don't know how many we've done already, but I'm going to finish this little stack right here that we have. Then I'm going to fast forward, and if I see anything, I'll slow down and show it to you. But I see my camera battery light flashing. Let me charge that up. Go get the cord, and we'll be right back. Okay, got my charger plugged in. We'll finish looking at these. Just a couple of them left. There we go. Nothing weird on these. Sometimes you'll see where somebody has written a note on them. Sometimes they're pretty funny. So I like to save those too. Okay, I'm going to take these and push these aside. Going to go through these, but I'm going to speed up the camera. If I find something good, I'll let you know. Okay, here we go. Got 4 7s in a row. Anything that has 4 consecutive numbers you want to keep. So I'm going to put these 4 7s aside and keep on searching. Okay, to keep this video from being so long, I'm going to take 50 bills out of here, so we're going to go through 100 bills instead of 150. So let me count those out, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, here we go. Let's go through these again. We'll go through about 10 of them, then I'll slow down and put on fast forward again. 69693572. Nope. 5791. No, not that one. Not that one. Nope. 03057437. 202757. Now some people collect their initials. Like if your name was Kevin Ellison, you might want to keep that. So Dorothy Anderson, might want to keep this one. Let's see, 722183. Nope, not this one. Not this one. I101864. Okay, not that. Okay, I'm gonna put it on fast forward again. Be right back. Okay, this one is not very off printed, but you can see the little border at the top and the bigger border at the bottom. So that's kind of a misprint. Not a big, huge misprint. It's not worth anything more than $1, but some people might want to collect that one. I'm not going to save it, but I'm going to put it aside, and we only have a few left here, so let's go through these together. Nothing on this one that looks out of the ordinary. How about this one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Not really. And the last one, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Out of the first 100 bills, we have one that I'm going to save. It has the consecutive 7777. I'm going to put that one aside. Bundle these up. Make a little note that there's only 99 in here. Get this ready to take it back to the bank. And if you like this type of video, stay tuned. I'm going to do 2 more just like it. So I have 2 more stacks of 100. And once I get a few of the bills that I have already saved, once I get like 20 or 30 of them, I'm going to do a review on those bills, showing the start notes and the imperfections that I found and misprints and that kind of stuff. But if you like this video, leave some kind of comment. If you saw something that I missed, I'd like you to point it out to me. If so, maybe you'll end up with that bill someday. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.